Hello everyone. Like this is my quickest flush I go for when I want to flush out bad fats from my tummy, excess calories, weight, waste, and get my body all in shape. I go for this and the results are always so amazing. Plus, this is so yummy and very healthy for you. It will boost your digestion. Talking of boosting digestion, most people face difficulties losing weight because or gaining a lot of weight because they don't digest the food they eat. They eat wrongly and never digest the food. So it builds up, causing belly fat, weight gain. And oranges, which is the first ingredient here, helps boost your digestion, helps you boost your metabolism. That way, you easily break down all the build up waste in your system, bad fats, promote your digestion, and you easily flush out so fast. Like if you have constipation or you're bloated all the time, just get a glass of orange juice and you'll come back and thank Reza for that. So this is one orange. You get one orange, squeeze out the juice, and voila, this is our first ingredient. Now the second ingredient is green tea or black tea, but green tea is very detoxifying. It is very heart healthy, will support your heart to flush out toxins from your system, very detoxifying. So what you want to do is to get your green tea. I have just the sachets. So you want to get your green tea and you measure half a tablespoon of green tea. So this is it, half a tablespoon. This is the measurement I can, if in case you have in a cup. So you just measure half a tablespoon of green tea or black tea, whichever, they are all good. You measure, and this is the first ingredient, very detoxifying, very cleansing, and will flush you out real good. The next very powerful ingredient I add is cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is a very powerful cleansing herb. It cleanses your inner system, supports you to flush out all those accumulated waste, toxic substances in your system, slowing down your metabolism, and you easily break down waste and toxins and lose that belly fat and get your body back all healthy and in shape. So that is it. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I go ahead and add some ginger in here. This is very powerful for detox. Your detox is all perfect when you add in some ginger. Ginger heats up your system to burn fats, has anti-inflammatory properties to help with gases, sodiums in your system, and you easily flush everything all out and get your body all down. It helps you burn fat and have you all, like, most especially your tummy. This is so powerful. This blend, you want to try and you come back and tell me how you feel so great about this. So this is a thumb size of ginger. What you want to do is to get your grate and manually kind of, when you grate it this way, you get all the juice out of it. Yeah, so you want to grate a thumb size of ginger. That way you get everything, like all the juice, and like I'll show you how to go about this. Just make sure you watch the video to the end so you don't miss the steps. The steps are very important. So yeah, this is it. Just great and you're good. This heats up your system. If you're always facing indigestion, you don't digest your food, you want to fall in love with ginger tea. Ginger tea is very good at provoking your system to easily flush out, like you visit your restroom and ease yourself. So that is it. The next thing I add is nut milk, like almond milk, coconut milk, whichever you have. Any nut milk you have, that is so good. All we all know the benefits of healthy fats from the nuts. They heat up your system, foil your system with energy to burn fats, healthy fats. So this is nut milk, and I'm adding half a cup of water. So let's get to the making of this now. This like, just get and make sure you follow the steps so you don't miss any of the, yeah. So the first thing you want to do is to put in your half a cup of water in your pot. So once it starts like trying to heat up, you add in your half a tablespoon of the tea. So green tea or black tea, whichever you have, but this is green tea I'm using. You put in your half a tablespoon of green tea. This is very powerful. So once you have it kind of start like boiling, like you want to leave it to boil a little bit. So this is how you get the benefits from the green tea. You see the color starts looking kind of green. You add in your ginger. So that is the thumb size of ginger we grated. In case you are measuring, you just grate half a table, you grate 1 tablespoon of ginger, sorry. So this is it. You see the color, it is really giving what I how I want it to. The next thing you want to do is to add in that cup of milk. This is a cup of almond milk I added in there, very powerful. So you add in your cup of almond milk. Now this is it. You mix up to get, always mix up so everything gets to one consistency, and you go ahead and add in your teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So this is the teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Remember, we still have the orange juice aside. So this is it. You want to mix this up. So at this point, you turn off your stove or your gas, whatever you're doing. At this point, turn it off. So this is turned off and ready. This is when I add in the orange juice. So once you add the orange in there, you kind of stir to get everything to one consistency. As you can see, it is not boiling. I turned off my stove before adding the orange in there. This is just ready to consume. So now you want to get your sieve, because there are particles from the green tea and so, and the ginger, and you want to get just the detox out of this. So you get something like a sieve or a cheesecloth, but the sieve is better because this is warm and healthier to do it this way. So you get a sieve and kind of sieve. You see our detox drink is all nice and smooth down with no particles. This is it. This is like very, 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 very powerful. You will love this. It will soften your stool, soften your tummy. You will easily flush out and have that belly fat all down. And so this is so nice. So once you sieve, this is it in your cup. You want to go ahead and drink everything all at once. Drink everything all at once. Like, the great thing about this is when I have this in the morning, I only feel like eating much later in the afternoon, and it helps me with my belly fat. It takes everything all down for me and nice, no belly fat. I hardly complain of belly fat with this recipe because it flushes you out real good. Plus, you want to make sure you're drinking your water. Make sure you're drinking enough water your system can accommodate. Water helps you with digestion. I will keep saying this over and over and over again because I get new people coming here all the time. So I have to keep saying this because most people face all this belly fat, weight issues because they don't drink water. So once you're drinking your water, there is no room for belly fat or that excess weight. Yeah. So try this recipe, come back and tell me how you feel about it. Share the video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.